Triple Chip here, and this is Down the Hatch 2, where today we're going to be, last video we showed you how to hard boil eggs. It's another option you have instead of just eating them hard boiled with some salt on them. I usually don't take that much salt, but we're going to do deviled eggs today. So what you're going to need for that is, okay, we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We only have 10 because we ate a couple. We're going to need some Dijon mustard, mayonnaise or Miracle Whip, paprika, and some pepper. So what we're going to do with those is, we're first going to cut the eggs in half. Then all you want to take out of them is just the yolks. If a little bit's left, don't worry about that. That's from one of the other eggs. Let's cut that one in half. Oh, maybe I should get a plate or something. I'll just get a plate to throw these eggs onto. Just gonna put all our halves over here for now. So we keep continuing that process. Dump out your innards, your yolkies. Just pause and press. Okay, we got the egg business done. All the shells are ready. So what we're going to add to this is, you're going to put in basically about a half a cup of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, whatever you want. I prefer the Miracle Whip, so we're going to go with that. That in there. Hands are cleaning up. Just washed them a minute ago. Just gonna wipe this off. Good enough, because we're just gonna shoot some Dijon on there. You use yellow, but Dijon's just gonna give it a little bit more kick. So about a tablespoonful. Put that in there. Put a little bit of the pepper business in. Just do it whatever you like. I'm just going to make these a little bit spicier. That should be about good. Just mix it up a little bit. Then we're going to take a fork and get it all mashed, just mixed a little bit. Oh, I think I might have put in too much pepper. I could really smell it. So let's just transition over to a fork. Just mash that all down. Make sure those are good and smashed. Smash them up. Mix it up really good. Yeah, it looks like it's almost ready. Switch back to our spoon again. Scrape that off the fork. What you're simply going to do here is Move this stuff over. Just gonna want to put a little bit in each egg here. That's probably about enough to spill them up a little bit. Okay, we got all the egg business done. We got all them filled. I think there's 20 there because eat a couple eggs. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put some paprika, just a light dusting. We're just gonna, not too much. Just tap a little bit on. It's like a little garnish at the end. Just adds a little bit of flair, plus makes it taste a little bit better. Okay, well, what's next? Let's try them. So we're not going to eat them all. Make sure you refrigerate them. Okay, try them. And like they say, down the hatch. That's really tasty. Well, that's the best deviled eggs I've ever made. So that's it for this one. Happy eating. We'll catch you in the next vlog. But hey, stay tuned for some bonus footage because I got a little bit left here. Thinking, what can I do with this amount of eggs? Just slap it on some buttered bread. Spread that goodness on there. Look at that. Open faced egg salad sandwich. You can add onions and stuff to this, but I'm just going to have it this way. So. What are you still doing here? Go make yourself some. Catch you next time.